mga ka-home foodies! How do you make your pasta more exciting? Sigurado na try nyo na gumamit ng penne, spaghetti, fettuccine, pati na rin ang macaroni. And now, I'll show you this recipe-inspired dish. Ito ang spinach cream cheese cannelloni with meat sauce. And I am Viboy Miranda for Elaborately Easy. Let's go! Home foodies, simulan muna natin to sa paggawa ng ating cream cheese spinach mixture. Una, ilalagay natin ating Magnolia Gold Butter. Magnolia Gold Butter, the best creations are made with gold. Pag nag-melt na siya completely, gusto rin natin mag-sizzle siya ng konti. And then, we will add our spinach. This is spinach top only, yung leaves niya. For around 2 to 3 minutes, mag-wilt lang siya. Mag-coat lang yung ating butter. So if fresh spinach is not available, you can also opt to use frozen spinach. There are different kinds of frozen spinach. Meron leaves, meron din chopped na. Either or pwede naman natin gamitin. Yan. Pag fully wilted na siya, pwede na natin siyang season with our salt and pepper. Mga ka-home foodies, pagluto na siya, pwede na natin i-add ang ating Magnolia cream cheese. Celebrate goodness every day. Mga ka-home foodies, at this point, pwede nyo na i-turn off ang fire. Let the carryover cooking of the pan, yung init niya ng pan, ang mag-melt sa ating cheese. We can set this aside, refrigerate para lang mas malamig before natin i-pipe. Okay? And now, we can fill our cannelloni with our cream cheese spinach mixture. Mga ka-home foodies, para mas mabilis or mas maging madali ang process na to, pwede kang gumamit ng pastry bag. Doon mo ilalagay yung mixture natin. Pag hindi available, kahit yung resealable bags, pwede rin siya. Or kutsarahin nyo, pero medyo mas magiging mahirap. For me, this is the best way to do it. Alright, kaya natin siya chinil ng kaunti para yung plastic natin hindi mabutas or hindi masira. Ngayon, mag-ready lang tayo ng oven-proof dish. Then, isa-stuff na natin siya. Let's cut this. Medyo mas malaki ng kaunti. Ayan. Diretso na. Dito na natin para any mess na magawa natin, mapupunta pa rin sa ating pan. Pag may mga mahabang strand, pwedeng gupitin na lang natin yan. Yun. We need around 9 pieces of this. Hindi mo kailangan punuin ito para hindi naman kailangan mag-overflow. Pag binake natin, mag-e-expand pa. I-absorb din ng pasta natin yung moisture. Just enough. See? That's why I really wanted this dish. I really like it. Mukhang mahirap, intimidating kasi, tignan nyo, medyo fancy tignan, pero napakadali namang gawin. If you know the proper technique, which is yan, pinapakita naman natin, madaling-madali nating ma-assemble. Another tip lang, you can pre-chop your spinach para hindi nyo na ginugupit katulad ng ginagawa ko, pero for me, gusto ko kasi yung texture na merong buo-buo. And last one. Set aside lang natin ito. And now, let us open our PUREFOODS tender, juicy, slow-cooked spaghetti sauce. Lagay lang natin sa bowl para evenly distributed ang meaty flavor, ang tender, juicy hot dogs, ang sauce. Open this pack. 1 pack of slow-cooked goodness. It is complete. No need to season it at all. For me, maglalagay lang ako ng konting Italian spices to level it up more. I love it. I like it. Give it a stir. Pag bumili kayo nito, frozen, ilalagay lang natin sa chiller natin. hanggang mag-thaw out. Bring back our dish. Another tip lang mga ka-home foodie, ililidel natin yan sa top ng ating dish, ng ating cannelloni, ng ating pasta. Okay? Then hayaan mo lang siyang bumagsak, mag-spread out. Kasi pag niluto natin yan, babagsak pa naman yan sa dito sa may babang part eh. So yan, yung mga nag-e-excess, push down, push out mo lang. Then pantayin natin. Woo! Looks good. It's like I'm in an Italian diner, restaurant. Then we will add our Italian seasoning to elevate that perfect taste for our sauce. And now let us add our MAGNOLIA QUICKMELT CHEESE. Celebrate goodness every day. Unwrap natin yung foil. Ang maganda if we will grate this, refrigerate natin. Minsan ako, fini-freeze ko pa for around 30 minutes para mas compact yung ating cheese, mas madali siyang mag-grate. Mas maganda rin yung strands. So at an angle, around 45 degrees, one stroke only mga ka-home foodie para mahaba yung strands ng ating cheese. So center lang. You can add as much as you want, pero ako, okay na ako sa ganito lang. You can use other cheeses like Parmesan, ricotta, cheddar cheese, or even yung cream cheese na nilagay natin, you can top it here before you bake it. Let's cover this with the foil. Cover it nicely. Home foodies, you can store this at your refrigerator up to 2 days, then you can pop it in the oven kung kailan nyo na kailangan iserve ito. Enjoy it any time of the day. Kaya, let's go! Eto na siya mga ka-home foodies! For the last 5 minutes of our baking, tinanggal ko lang yung foil para mapakaganda ang ating pag-melt ng cheese. Pwede rin natin i-top with flat parsley leaf. And there you have it mga ka-home foodies. Sobrang ma-delicious nito kasi nga yung spaghetti sauce, ready to eat na. Yung ating cream cheese spinach, minelt lang natin, mix together, konting sauté, napakadali. Pwede rin natin pagpalitin yung white and red sauce natin, yung red sauce ang nasa loob, yung white namang nasa labas, and pwede nyo rin gawin tong assembly as lasagna. Kaya subukan nyo na ang ating recipe na spinach cream cheese cannelloni with meat sauce. And I am B-Boy Miranda for Elaborately Easy. See you guys! Bye-bye!
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawing ma-delicious.